Hello and welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight dataset. This one we're covering OPCS4, which is for the procedures that the NHS will carry out, like hip replacements and whatever. Just to point out, to get access to this data via our system, you still need to actually agree to the terms on NHS Digital's own TRUD website. That's all explained to you when you join as a new customer, so you get the idea. But anyway, to show you what data we've got, these are the tables, and I'm just querying a couple of them, codes and titles, so pretty self-explanatory. And we've got the versions as well, going up to 4.10 at the moment as I record this. And also, helpfully, they have another table which maps versions. So there you've got 4.2 going up to 4.10. So that's obviously useful for obvious reasons. And you've got these other few fields that are described here. So, like for example, yeah, that hopefully explains it all. I know some of them, they don't have a code. That's just how the data is in the source pack. So, yeah, that's everything. Thanks.